In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an employee's department in QuickBooks Accountant in just 5 minutes. Whether you're adjusting departments for a recent reorganization or simply correcting an error, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by clicking on the Sign In button. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your QuickBooks account. Once you're there, choose the QuickBooks Online option. This is the platform we'll be using to make all the necessary changes to your employees' department details. Next, type in your login credentials. It's important to ensure that your email and password are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered the correct information, click on Continue to proceed. After you've logged in, navigate to the Employees section. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the employees currently in your database. Take a moment to locate the specific employee profile you wish to update. It can save time if you use the search feature, especially if you have many employees listed. Once you've found the employee, click on their profile. This opens up their detailed profile page. It's here that you can view and edit various employee details. Now direct your attention to the employment details section and click on it. This area contains pertinent information about the employee's role within the company, including department assignments. In the employment details section, look for the edit button. Click on it to make the necessary changes. It's important to be in this edit mode because this is what allows you to change existing details. Now proceed to the department field. Here you'll see a list of all the departments available within your company. Select the department that the employee should be assigned to. It's crucial to choose the correct department, as this information can impact both payroll processing and interdepartmental communications. Finally, after selecting the appropriate department, ensure you click on Save. This ensures that all your changes are recorded and updated in the system. It's a good practice to double check that the changes have been saved by reviewing the employee's profile one more time. And that's it, you've successfully changed an employee's department in QuickBooks Accountant. Quick, simple, and efficient. Remember, maintaining accurate employee data is essential for smooth HR operations and effective departmental management. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.